Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP Binance full guide. Open the Binance app, complete identity verification, deposit funds via bank or card, then search XRP, choose market or limit order, set amount, and confirm the purchase. After buying, move XRP to a secure wallet if you plan long-term storage, or enable two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelist to protect your account. Stay calm and double-check addresses before sending. To fund your Binance account, open the deposit page, pick fiat or crypto, and follow the instructions for bank transfer or card payment, which often completes within minutes. For lower volatility trades, convert fiat to USD or BUSD first and then buy XRP to avoid price swings. Always verify the deposit details, include any required references, and confirm the deposit shows in your balance before placing an order. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear crypto videos for you. Quick recommendation. I use Little Tree's black ice in my car, and it keeps things fresh while I manage trades, so consider grabbing one from the description if you want a small treat. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When placing an order, decide between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control your entry price and potential slippage. Enter the amount of XRP or the fiat value you want to spend, check the fee estimate, and then confirm the trade. Keep an eye on order status in the Open Orders tab, cancel if needed, and consider dollar cost averaging to reduce timing risk when buying larger amounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.